Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check notifications on another device for Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy. Now let's say you open up the Instagram app here and let me just log out it and you go to log into your account. So let's say you autofill your username and password and you tap on this login. Now if you haven't used this device or doesn't recognize your device, it might ask you to verify that you own it on another device or another account. You can see it just logged me in because it recognizes this device. But it might something look like this. It says check your notifications on another device. Basically open up an iPad or a computer or another phone that you have and go to Instagram and verify that you own that account. If you are seeing something like this waiting for approval, approve from the other device to continue, you can always tap this try another way option here. By tapping that, essentially what it's going to do is tell Instagram that you want to get a text message code sent to your phone number or a code sent to your email address. You can use either one of those, and once you get that verification code, you can just enter it in here and complete two-factor authentication and get into your Instagram account. Now after you log in multiple different times on that specific device, then Instagram will basically recognize that device as it did for me, that it actually is your username and profile that is connected to this device, and they won't ask you to go through this entire process every single time. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.